Pursuing higher education in the United States can be an exciting and fulfilling experience. There are many opportunities available for students who are interested in teaching, research, and graduate assistantships. One of the most popular paths for graduate students is teaching. As a teaching assistant, you will have the opportunity to work closely with experienced professors to develop your own teaching skills. If you are interested in research, graduate assistantships offer an opportunity to work with professors and other researchers on cutting-edge projects. You will have the opportunity to present your own research at academic conferences and contribute to the advancement of your field. In addition, you will receive valuable feedback and guidance from experienced professionals in your field. As a graduate assistant, you may also have the opportunity to work on your own projects and develop skills that will be valuable in your future career. Whether you are interested in teaching, research, or a combination of both, pursuing a graduate assistantship in the United States can provide you with a unique and valuable experience. With a wide range of programs and opportunities available, there has never been a better time to pursue higher education in the United States. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.